Find the inverse of h of x equals 2x cubed plus 3. All right, I don't like how that's h of x, so let's call it y equals 2x cubed plus 3. First things first in finding your inverse is swapping the x and the y. So x equals 2y cubed plus 3. Now let's solve for the new y. Subtract 3, cross you out. X minus 3 equals 2y cubed. In order to get y cubed all by itself, we're going to divide everything by 2, like so. So I have x minus 3 equals, over 2, equals y cubed. In order to get rid of a cube, you cube root both sides. So cube root both sides, that happens. And y is now alone, and that's going to be the big cube root of x minus 3 all over 2. Since y is not the original problem, I'm going to go back and call this h inverse of x equals the cube root of x minus 3 all over 2. And that is how you do that.